The Motorola Razr was one of the few foldable smartphones that launched in 2019. It started selling in February this year, and now Motorola is going to upgrade the phone by adding 5G support. So Motorola is doing what Samsung did recently, that is launching the 5G version of its Galaxy Z Flip. Couple of weeks ago, we got our first hands-on images of the Motorola Razr 5G that showed the same design as the last year's Motorola Razr, but with one noticeable design change. The fingerprint scanner on the 5G version is not there on the front this time, so it is most likely on the side like the Galaxy Z Flip. Also, this time there is a new silver color option. As far as the launch date is concerned, Motorola has started sending out the media invites for its virtual launch event on September 9th. While Motorola did not reveal the name of the phone that it is launching at the event, the company did mention that it is getting ready to flip the smartphone experience once again. This clearly shows that a foldable smartphone is launching that day, so there is no doubt that it is the new Motorola Razr with 5G support. Now when it comes to the specifications, not much is known so far. We do know that the Motorola Razr 5G has a 48 megapixel Samsung sensor on the outside compared to the 16 megapixel camera on the 4G version. There is now a 20 megapixel selfie camera compared to the 5 megapixel selfie camera on the last year's Motorola Razr. The biggest downside of the Motorola Razr of last year were its specs, and that was the reason the Galaxy Z Flip was a better choice over the Razr. This year as well, the story is going to be the same. Well, the Galaxy Z Flip 5G gets the new Snapdragon's 865 Plus chipset. The Motorola Razr 5G has the Snapdragon 765 or 765G chipset. So in terms of the performance, the Razr 5G is no match for the Galaxy Z Flip 5G. And the same is the case when we talk about other specifications like the cameras, the display or the battery. The last year's Motorola Razr launched at a price of $1,500 so we are expecting a similar pricing for the Motorola Razr 5G. Anyways, that's it for this video, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.